Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam Govindam Adipurusam Tamahang Vajami.
Govindam Adipurusam Tamahang Vajami.
So, we are worshipping the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Govinda. That is our business. And what is the effect of worshipping Govinda? Just like people are trying to go to the moon planet, very teeny effort, even they go to the moon planet, they will not very much benefited. Because the scientists say the moon planet is below 200 degrees, 0 point. So we cannot tolerate the cold climate of this planet. How we shall be benefited even we go to the moon planet? And the moon planet is the nearest planet. There are millions of other planets also. And the scientists say that to reach the highest, topmost planet, it will take 40,000 of years. And who is going to live for 40,000 years to go and come back? These are practical difficulties, and therefore we are called conditioned souls. Our activities are conditioned, not free. But you can attain a life of freedom, life of unlimited energy, unlimited happiness, unlimited bliss. There is possibility. This is not a story or fiction. We see so many planets within this universe. We have got so many flying vehicles, but we cannot approach even to the nearest. We are so much limited. But if we worship Govinda, then it is possible. We can go anywhere. We have written these statements in our small booklet, Easy Journey to Other Planets. This is possible. Don't think that this planet is all in all. There are many, many, millions of other very nice planets. There the standard of happiness, standard of enjoyment is many more times greater than what we are enjoying here. So, how this is possible, I shall read the 7th chapter of Bhagavad Gita, which is spoken by Govinda himself. Bhagavad Gita, 7th chapter. Lord Krishna says, Maya Saktamana Pathya Yogang Jinjan Vadasraya Asangsang Samagravan Jatha Gyasasi Tachino. Now, here the word Yogam is also explained. What sort of yoga Krishna is recommending? Maya Saktamana, keeping the mind always attached to Krishna. This yoga system. This Krishna consciousness is yoga system that at the present days they are concentrating their mind on something void, impersonal, according to their own prescription. The real process is to concentrate the mind on something. But that something, if we make it void, it is very difficult to concentrate our mind in that way. That is also explained in the Bhagavad Gita, in the 12th chapter. Klesha adhikatarastesam abbakta saktacetasa. Those who are trying to meditate on something impersonal and void, their trouble is greater than those who are meditating on the Supreme Person. This is explained. Why? Abbhaktya hi gati durkham dehavadbhi abhapate. We cannot concentrate our mind something impersonal. If you think of your friend, if you think of your father, mother, or somebody whom you love, you can continue such thinking for hours together. But if you have no objective to fix up your mind, then it is very difficult. But people are being taught to concentrate on something void and impersonal.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama.